Let's focus on what is HTTP request. When we send something from our client to the server or a browser to the web server, then that is called as request. In this request, there are a couple of components. First is URL. Each request must have an URL. Each request must have an HTTP verb. This is also known as method. Each request will have either one single header or multiple headers. Body. Each request will have a body and the data. These are the major components of any HTTP request. Now let's understand what is HTTP response. Whatever we get from our web server to the client, that is called as response. Each response must have an status code. It must have an response header or multiple headers. A response will also have some data. Other than these three components, there are also n number of components that a response have. But these are the main components that we must focus in order to work with the request and response principle.